Hello everyone, welcome to today's quick session. How to maximize travel expense deductions with travel allowance. Okay, very quick declaration. So this session, all the information provided is for general purposes only. So if you need to make a decision, make sure you find a good professional person to help you. All right. So this is mainly related to the tax determination. Okay, for that's related to travel allowance. So um, travel allowance can be provided from employer to employees. Of course, the employees can include directors. Okay, if it's a company structure, or potentially corporate trustee directors if it's a family trust. All right. So what it is, when you're traveling for business, or when your employees are traveling for business, the employer can provide a daily rate, as a travel allowance that's paid to the employee to cover the travel costs. So, and provided if that daily rate is below the tax office required rate, you don't need to provide any receipts. Okay, provided if you have a valid diary, okay, or itinerary for the days that you are traveling for business related purposes, you can actually claim that daily rate as a deduction in the business, okay, without any um, receipts. Okay, so let's say for an example, of course, it's related to the employee salary as well. Okay, for employee salary below 138K, right? Let's say if that person was to go to Darwin, okay, for a business related trip, the daily rate is actually $372.70, provided if the hotel, accommodation, and food and drinks, all and incidentals all add up together below that daily total. And then you basically pay that employee a travel allowance that's below that daily rate. The business can actually claim a full deduction. Okay, and then this is domestic trips. If it was overseas, it doesn't include accommodation. So basically, just three meals. So let's say if you were to go to China, okay, China for overseas countries, you need to find the tier first. So which cost group or which tier of the country is. Then you have a look at the little table here. Okay, if it was China, only for the three meals, the overseas trips don't include um, accommodation, hotel bills. So hotel bills you can claim on the top. All right. So China cost group 5, the daily rate is $240. All right. I hope this is helpful. So if in case, if you're a director, business director, and then you went for a trip and you didn't keep all the receipts for your meals or accommodation, or you don't have them, okay, you can still claim the daily rate as a deduction from the business, uh, if it's actually provided to employees as travel allowance for to cover all the cost. All right, that's today's session. Thank you for joining us. We'll talk to you in our next session.